Hello, my name is Carlos Cuadra Santaella, and this is the video evidence for Agile project management. So the problem to solve is that our team is developing a supply chain optimization tool for AMD, but leadership suddenly requires us to reduce the project budget by 20% and deliver the product 2 weeks earlier than planned. Because of this, I see two main challenges. The first one is replacing the project under tightened budget and schedule constraints. And the second one is integrating a senior hardware architecture who comes from waterfall environment into our Agile Scrum team, or at least what we see. First, I will talk about the project replanning. And since the project already has a work breakdown structure, I will start by reviewing the deliverables and identifying which tasks are essential. Using the work breakdown structure, I will group the work into core components, supporting modules, and optional features. And the work breakdown structure shown in the video comes from another project that it is already of our challenge, and it is only used as an example to show how tasks can be structured and prioritized. I consider that core components, such as in this case for this project, data integration, the optimization engine, and system validation based that it is a software, must be remain in the project because they are necessary for the system to function. And other optional features like advanced dashboards, extended analytics could be postponed for future versions, I think. And this I think that can be reduced workflow while maintaining the functionality of the system. And to upload the schedule, I will use tools like Project Libre to create a revised plan and visualize task dependencies, for example, a Gantt chart. And I also think Excel can be very useful to evaluate resource allocations. Because the deliverable must be happen in 2 weeks, I consider that it is essential to use the critical path with determine the duration of the project. And I will apply two techniques to shorten the schedule. The first one is track fasting, where tasks are done in parallel, and crashing, where the experienced team members are allocated to accelerate a certain process. Since the project is compressed, I think that risk must be monitorizing carefully, and this can be done by milestone or sprinting evaluations. And I also consider that use a racing matrix can clarify responsibilities. Now, talking about the second challenge, which is the integration and collaboration. I think that the objective is not replacing the methodology with another one, but aligning different work styles. And I would organize an alignment meeting to explain the project goals, revise the timelines, and how the IL proof workflow works. I also will use a daily stand-up meetings to the team can share progress and identify blockers, and the architecture could support system by his knowledge, and the team continues managing and sprinting planning and developing tasks. Because the team now include a member from different professional cultures, communication must be inclusive and respectful. And finally, my conclusion: a good collaboration can give faster decision, reducing blocks and sprint in a sprint, sorry, and producing high quality standards. And with all of these things that I've been introducing, the work done structure and adjusting the schedule and planning the tools and fasting tracking, and that can be adapted to the new constraints and maintain the collaboration. Thank you so much.